A fun new vehicle just landed on the showroom floors of Markville Toyota. And this time, you might have recognized the name in the past. Only this time, it's sporting a different look. Hi, my name is JV, your product advisor from Markville Toyota, and today we'll be looking at the all-new 2022 Corolla Cross LE all-wheel drive. The Corolla name has been around since the 1960s as Toyota wanted to introduce a fuel-efficient people's car. Since its inception, the model came in various body styles, but for the first time in its history, the 2022 Corolla Cross is an all-new, redesigned subcompact SUV that allows the Corolla name to expand into a new vehicle class. The Corolla slots right in between our CHR and RAV4 models. The Corolla Cross is for customers that are looking for a vehicle that can seat 5 passengers comfortably, all while maintaining the practicality of an SUV without occupying too much space. Starting at the front, powering the Corolla Cross is a 2-liter 4-cylinder dynamic force engine found in the Corolla and the Corolla hatchback, producing about 169 horsepower. This engine is designed to maximize power delivery, all while maintaining fuel efficiency to ensure that you get to your destination without frequent stops at the gas station. The dynamic force 4-cylinder engine will get your Corolla Cross a combined fuel efficiency of 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers, making the Corolla Cross one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class. Front-wheel drive is available on the L and LE trim levels, while all-wheel drive is available on L, LE, and XLE trim levels. With practicality in mind, the Corolla Cross allows for a towing capacity of up to 1,500 pounds, which is a feature that isn't common for other vehicles in the same class. Paired up to the engine is a continuous variable transmission, or CVT, with a launch gear. The purpose of the launch gear is to ensure that the vehicle accelerates from a stop quickly and responsively, avoiding any sluggish accelerations typically found in traditional CVT competitors in the market. At the front, you receive a standard front radar pre-collision warning system to alert you of any vehicles performing emergency stops ahead of you. This system is all part of the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 that includes pedestrian and bicyclist warning, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and radar adaptive cruise control. The Corolla Cross comes equipped standard with bi-beam LED headlights, and the XLE model comes with an upgraded LED headlight system with LED fog lights for additional illumination during low light situations. The Corolla Cross comes standard with plush fabric seats, but if you decide to upgrade into the XLE trim level, your interior gets upgraded as well with Softex leather seats, both front and rear. LE and XLE trim levels receive heated front seats, as well as heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is definitely helpful in the winter months in the city. Climate control is standard on all models, however the XLE trim level receives an upgraded dual-zone climate control, which allows independent control of the cabin, temperature on the driver's side as well as the passenger side. To maximize comfort in the cabin, the Corolla Cross has added noise-reducing materials inside the roof liner, as well as on the floor liners to help reduce harshness in noise and vibrations. For LE Premium and XLE models, the Corolla Cross receives a power moonroof, smart key access with push-button start, and the XLE model will come with an upgraded power tailgate for ease of access when placing cargo at the back. On all trim levels, you have the availability to connect your phone via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which will make hands-free voice calling, text-to-speech texting, and accessing applications such as Google Maps, Waze, and music apps a lot easier to access and control. For the L and LE trim levels, the Corolla Cross will offer a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment screen where your radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto can be operated from. If you upgrade to the XLE, this will increase in size to an 8-inch touchscreen. The L and LE trim levels, you'll also receive a 4.7-inch multi-information display located behind the steering wheel, where you can access vehicle information and safety features, while the XLE trim level receives an upgraded 7-inch display, which gives the XLE a more modern and dynamic feel. The Corolla Cross receives an ample amount of cargo space, capable of carrying everyday items such as weekly groceries, shopping bags, larger items such as luggage or a golf bag, And if you even wanted to carry larger items, the second row can be folded down to further extend the cargo space into the cabin area. If you're looking for a compact SUV that has great vehicle dynamics, handling, practicality, and fuel efficiency, the Corolla Cross is definitely a vehicle you should consider taking a look at. Pre-order your Corolla Cross now. If you'd like to receive more information, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or by email to schedule your visit with us. Let us know in the comment section your opinions on the Corolla Cross. Once again, my name is JV. Thank you for watching our video.